Welcome to our online video series on learning to use your mobile devices. My name is Cassandra.
And I'm Kate, and we're from Neonet's TechSocial program.
In this video, we will demonstrate how to connect the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth functions of your Apple or Android device.
The resources for this video can be found in Module 1 on our website, neonet.on.ca, found in the link below.
Wi-Fi lets your mobile device talk to the internet. Wi-Fi signals have limitations on how far their range reaches.
You can only connect if you're at a location where Wi-Fi is available, such as the library, the airport, the office, or your home.
Let's start with Apple. From the Settings menu, locate and tap on the Wi-Fi tab. Select the network you would like to use. If this is an open Wi-Fi connection, you will automatically connect without any further action needed. But be aware that this will not be secure. After you join the network, a check mark will be located next to your network name, confirming your connection. In the upper left corner of your screen will also confirm that you are connected. If there is a lock next to the Wi-Fi network, you will need a password to use the secured network. Turning on the Wi-Fi is accessible in your control center. Swipe up from the bottom of your display and select the Wi-Fi icon to turn on your Wi-Fi connectivity. Once you have connected to a network, your device will automatically remember the details so you don't have to re-enter the password in the future when you're in range and your Wi-Fi is switched on. Bluetooth pairs your Apple device with your Bluetooth accessories. You can connect your iPhone wirelessly to Bluetooth devices. For example, you could connect with a Bluetooth headset for hands-free calling. Tap the settings icon from your home screen and select Bluetooth. Tap the control next to Bluetooth to turn it on. Your iPhone will scan for Bluetooth signals and list available devices. To see if a Bluetooth accessory is on, look for the Bluetooth icon in the status bar of your device. If you see white, Bluetooth is off, and if you see blue, Bluetooth is on, and you can connect to another Bluetooth device. You can also see which Bluetooth device is currently connected in Bluetooth settings under My Device. To temporarily disconnect the accessory, go to Settings, Bluetooth, and tap next to your Bluetooth accessory, then tap Disconnect.
Now on to Android. From your home page, go tap on your settings icon and select the Network and Internet option. Tap on Wi-Fi to see the list of available networks. It may take a moment for all the available networks to show up. Select the network you would like to use. If this is an open Wi-Fi connection, you will automatically connect without any further action needed. But be aware that this will not be secure. If you are trying to connect to a secure network, you will need to enter the correct password. Locked networks will have a lock on it, which means that you will require a password to access the network. This may be found on the back of your router, but if you do not have the password, ask your network administrator. Alternatively, swipe down from the top of your phone and tap on the Wi-Fi button. Once you have connected to a network, your device will automatically remember the details so you don't have to re-enter the password in the future when you're in range and your Wi-Fi is switched on. Bluetooth on your Android device. Tap the settings icon and select the Bluetooth option, or swipe down twice from the top to access your notification center. From here, select the Bluetooth option, which should be one of the first entries in the list. Next, simply tap on the toggle switch near the top of your screen to enable Bluetooth on your Android device. While the Bluetooth accessory is still in pairing mode, head back to the Bluetooth settings menu on your Android device. From here, you should see the Bluetooth accessory listed. If not, simply tap the three-dot menu button at the top of the screen, then choose Refresh to search for nearby Bluetooth devices again. Once you see the Bluetooth device listed, go ahead and tap the corresponding entry. From here, you may have to enter or verify a code on the Bluetooth accessory, depending on the device. But for most devices, all you'll have to do is tap the Pair button on your Android phone or tablet. From here, just give the two devices a few seconds to complete the pairing process. When they're fully connected, the Bluetooth icon at the top of your screen will either turn from gray to white to indicate the pairing, or two small dots will appear on each side of this icon.
We hope this video has helped answer some of your questions about understanding how to connect the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth functions of your Apple or Android device. For more information, see Module 1 on our website, neonet.on.ca, by clicking the link below.
We would like to thank the Ontario Trillium Foundation, the Ontario Seniors Community Grant, and the Timmins Venture Centre for funding this program and these videos. Thank you for watching.